Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional. And today we're going to explore the steps involved in the divorce process after you filed for it. So, navigating the legal intricacies of divorce really can be daunting, but understanding the process can help you move forward with a bit more confidence. So, once you've filed for divorce, the journey towards dissolution of your marriage really begins. The steps involved can vary depending on your jurisdiction and the specific circumstances of your case, but there are some common milestones along the way. The first step after filing for your divorce is typically to serve the papers, where the divorce papers are officially delivered to your spouse. This notifies them of the legal proceedings and gives them the opportunity to respond to the petition for divorce. After being served with those divorce papers, your spouse does have a certain period of time to file a response, indicating whether they agree with the terms of the divorce or they intend to contest any aspect of it. Now, if your spouse contests the divorce, or let's say there's unresolved issues such as child custody, division of assets, or spousal support, the case may proceed to mediation or court hearings where a judge will help facilitate negotiations and make decisions on the matter. During this time, it's essential to maintain open communication with your attorney and stay informed about the progress of your case. Your attorney will represent your interests and guide you through the legal process, advocating for fair resolutions to any disputes that may arise. In cases where the divorce is uncontested and both parties agree on all items, the process may be expedited, and a final divorce decree can be issued relatively quickly. However, if there are significant disagreements or complex issues to resolve, the process may take longer and require multiple court appearances. Throughout the divorce process, it's important to prioritize your self-care and seek support from family and friends and other trusted individuals in your life. Divorce can be really emotionally challenging, and having a strong support network can provide you with the encouragement and guidance you need to navigate this difficult time. Remember, take care of yourself, both mentally and physically, and don't hesitate to seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with stress and emotions of divorce, therapy, support groups, and other resources can offer valuable support and guidance as you work towards healing and moving forward with your life. Ultimately, the divorce process, is a journey, and we're trying to get to closure so we can have a fresh start. By staying informed, leaning on your support network, and prioritizing your well-being, you can navigate this challenging chapter of your life. And that's going to do it for today's episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Should you have any questions on it, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of the next great chapter. Until next time, all the best.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.